Hey guys, Physics Boy 189 here with another experiment. 1, 2, 3, let's go.
But before we do that, let's get into the materials for this project. You will need tuning forks, specifically one with a 512C frequency, a ruler, and a hollow sound tube. This will be used to put the sound through. Additionally, you will need clamps so that you can clamp wherever you hear the sound difference, and a rod to put the tube in. Your final setup should look something like this. Okay, now that we're done explaining the materials, let's get on with the experiment. The purpose of this experiment is to calculate the speed of sound using waves.
You're holding it above the tube. Go. And we're done.
Before we get on to the explanation, let's talk about safety. For this experiment, you don't really need any safety matters. As long as you handle the hammer responsibly, you should be fine. This graph shows how the experiment works. Because sound waves look very similar to this, every time it reaches the white circle, it makes a high-pitched noise, like in the experiment. The first time it makes this high-pitched noise is known as the first harmonic. After we have found the location of the harmonic, we can use a formula to find the wavelength. The formula is length is equal to 1/4 times the wavelength. After finding this, we can then plug that value into this equation to get our final result, the speed of sound. Because we already know the frequency, and we just calculated the wavelength, all we ever do now is just use simple algebra. That concludes my experiment. Thanks for watching.